In this episode, I want to show you how to promote a webinar in 2025 using AI. Hi, my name is Terrence. I'm from Radical Marketing, and in the past 10 years, we've generated 1.5 million leads for coaches and course creators all around the world. And in this episode, I'd like to talk about the 3 ways you can use AI to promote your webinar, get more attendees, and get more sales. So let's jump into it, shall we? The first thing to do is what we call a database reactivation strategy. Here's the thing, with all the webinars that you have hosted in the past, there will be 2 types of people that you want to reach out to using a database reactivation service. First type of leads that you want to reach out to are people who attended but did not buy. The second type of people you want to reach out to are people who signed up but never showed up. So in this case, database reactivation using SMS or WhatsApp is the perfect solution. I mean, think about it. You've been emailing them, you've probably been hitting them with SMSs, but they're not responding. You're just blasting them, right? But what happens with AI? There is an opportunity to engage in a 2-way, meaningful conversation with the prospect. So imagine getting a text from the company saying, "Hi, this is Terrence from Radical Marketing. Is this John who previously signed up for my webinar on how to generate more leads for your business?" for example. And John will probably reply, "Yes, this is John." So from there on in, the AI can continue to engage depending on where John was in the customer journey. If John hadn't attended any webinars, we could say, get the AI to invite John to an upcoming webinar. The AI could say something like,
"Hey John, sorry that you couldn't attend on any of our webinars in the past, but you know what? Terrence has this new webinar that talks about how to generate leads with AI. Would you be interested to join that?"
And when John says yes, basically the AI tells the time and gets John to sign up on the spot. And that basically gets John, without going to a web page or anything, to sign up for the next event. So that's really cool. One really cool way. And of course, for people who attended and did not buy, well, this is the opportunity to use AI to engage these people and say, "Hey, you previously attended one of Terrence's webinars. Was there a reason that stopped you from enrolling in his course?" And the AI can then address objections based on the input of the user. And maybe if the person says, "Oh, it was too expensive," the AI could then say, "We have this new payment plan out. Would you like to hear more about it so that you can get started from as little as $500, for example?" Imagine, I've seen some of my clients in the old days getting someone to call up these people one by one, right? And imagine you got a list of 10,000. It's so hard to actually get everybody to pick up the call in the first place. And secondly, they're probably busy most of the time, so they don't want to respond to you. And if you use text to message this 10,000 people, man, you gotta have some strong fingers there and pretty quick fingers as well. So that is so hard or almost impossible to manually do in the past, and it'll cost a lot. Whereas now with AI, you can actually achieve it by just reactivating your existing database. So that is one thing that I'll definitely do to get people to sign up for your webinar. We are actually developing that tech right now, and we're experimenting with it. It works, okay? It's like quite incredible. The way it talks to the prospect is like almost like a human. You can't tell the difference. The second cool thing you can do with AI is that once people have registered for your event, is to use AI to engage them, because studies have shown that the more you engage with people before the event, the more likely they are to show up. So in this case, we could develop an AI, which we are planning to roll out soon. And that's basically an AI calling the person that has registered for the webinar. And the AI could say, "Hey, John, thanks for registering for Terrence's new webinar on how to generate leads with AI. Just want to confirm that you actually registered for this event that is going to be held on this date." And John will say, "Yes, I have registered." That AI say, "Perfect. Well, John, is there anything stopping you from attending the webinar?" And John will say, "No, not at all. I don't think there's any clash with any of my schedule." "Oh, great, because if there was a clash, I could put you in the following week's webinar. But since there's no clash, look forward to seeing you, John." So that's one use case. I just want to give you another example of a use case that we are rolling out for one of our clients, where the client teaches a metaphysical manifestation system. Now, in order for it to work, the client needs to know the date and the time of birth. So in this case, the AI can basically collect this information and say, "Hey, John, I noticed you signed up for this event. In order for us to generate a report for you, could you let me know your time and date of birth? Because this is important in order for you to manifest faster and more effectively." John will then say, okay, I'm born in 1979 on the 2nd of January, whatever time it is, and the AI can then input that information into the database. My client's team can then generate the report for this attendee, right? So that is another use case. But in both cases, the key thing to remember is the more you engage with your customer, the more likely you are to get them to show up for your event. And the third use case is for post-webinar selling. Now, after the event, there will be generally two types of people that you want to reach out to with AI. First type of people are the ones that showed up but did not buy. And in this case, it's a matter of having the AI reach out to find out what happened and then engage with them to say, hey, was there anything stopping you from buying? Just like the example I mentioned earlier. The AI can then address any sales objections and lead the person to make a purchase. In the second instance, where people sign up but did not show up, this is where the AI can engage people so that we can get them to the next event through just WhatsApp or SMS and get them to enroll in the following webinar so that we maximize every single lead that comes through our funnel. As you can see, with AI, the ability to maximize the profitability of your webinar funnel in every step of the way, and not just to promote it, but to maximize attendance rates and to maximize the sales conversions is phenomenal. So that's all I have to share today. So I hope this got your juices ticking. I will share more with you once we have fully developed this bots. They're all in testing phase at the moment. And if you like to be one of the first ones to experience this bot, please make sure you reach out to us and we'll be happy to talk about how we can implement this AI into your webinar funnel for you, make your webinars more successful. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got value from this, all right? So I can make more videos like this for you in the future. Thanks for watching.